Guys, in today's video we'll learn about move keyword in Rust. So let's understand how can we use it. So let's say we have a vector which is data vec and we initialize it with 1 2 3, and after that let's create a closure which is add. Let's create our vector as mutable because we want to change, and closure as mutable because we want to make a change in this, and then no arguments to our closure because we know that closure can capture arguments from environment as well. So we'll just use data here as it is, data dot push 4, and then let's print our closure with the data, and then we go ahead and call our closure, and then let's say once also print it outside as well, outside the closure, and just see the data. Okay, now let's do cargo run. As you can see, we get 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4. Let's name it outside for better distinguish. You can see 1 2 3 4 and outside is 1 2 3 4. So closure is working fine. So move keyword, when we use move keyword here, it tells our closure whatever the variables that you capture inside, just take the ownership as well. So basically when the ownership is gone, after that we know we cannot use it. So let's see what happens when we go ahead and use it now. It gives us an error and it says because you are borrowing it here, but it has been already, the ownership is gone, data has nothing, it's invalidated, the ownership is already taken by the closure. So when you know you won't be using your variables after you go through your closure, just use the move keyword so it will take the ownership as well. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you understand this interesting concept of move. I'll catch you guys in the next video.